Hello and welcome. I'm Leena from Shiny Leena, and today we'll be taking a look into Lastrituals Procreate Notes Creator Set. I'll be doing a tutorial on how to share the files to Procreate, customize your own notepad, and how to export it into your planner to use. After you have downloaded your creator set, you can head to your Downloads folder and find the two zip files. To unzip them, we're going to click on each of them once. The first file contains 6 Procreate templates you can fully customize, and the other includes 17 different textures you can use on your templates. For today's video, we are going to customize our very own notepad. So to add the template to Procreate, we just click on the one we want to use, and it will open the file within Procreate. Second to the right, we have our Layers tab, which includes the background color, shadow, corner, backside, notes page, and a place to add your textures or your color. We are leaving the background color turned off to keep a transparent background. And here what I usually like to do is lock the layers I don't accidentally want to touch, change, or delete. So we're going to swipe left on every layer and lock it, excluding the ones that say place here. Now we can comfortably focus on the layers we want to change. Let's start with a notes page and use one of the files from the texture folder. So to add it, we're going to click on the tools icon on the far left, head to the Add tab, insert a file, click Texture folder, and choose the texture we want to use. If you want to change the texture, you can clear the layer and redo the whole process. I'm going to hit undo because I do want to keep this one, but I also want to add in another texture. To duplicate a layer, swipe right on the layer you want and click Duplicate. So now I'm going to clear this layer and add a new texture file in. I want to change the color of the layer to match my planner, so I'm going to adjust the hue. Heading over to the Adjustments tab that looks like a magic wand, click Hue, Saturation, and Brightness, and adjust the sliders till you find your desired color. You can also change the opacity of the layer to whatever you like. Choose the layer you want to change, click where it says LB, and adjust the opacity slider. For the corner layer, we're going to add another texture file to make it look like each page of this notepad is different by repeating the same process we did on the first layer. I'm also going to rotate the image to align with the paper. And for the back side, I'm going to use 2 layers, one using the same texture and another using a shade from that texture. I'm going to use the eyedropper tool to pick a shade from the corner layer, and to do this, tap and hold anywhere on your canvas for it to pop up, and drag to the sample you want. Make sure to add the color to the bottom layer and the texture to the top layer. Now that I am done, it is time to export the file. Go to the Tools icon, Share tab, and save it as a PNG image. Heading back to my planner, I can now add the sticker from my photos. I do want to specify that I am using an iPad 11-inch and the Noteful app, but you can really use any PDF note-taking app. You can find this product as well as other templates on Lastrituals Etsy shop under Procreate Templates. Her shop and products will be linked in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or message Daria directly through Etsy. Thank you so much for watching and happy planning, friends!